Tom the Caravan man in Beverley just arrived. A 2016 VW camper van, short wheelbase, top of the range Highline model, 39,995. It's only done 31,000 miles. We've got the full service history and we've got the MOTs to show that is a genuine mileage. Brand new Rhino off-road alloy wheels and tyres all round, with the matching metallic grey paintwork and the black privacy glass. So the Highline model has the cruise control, heated front windscreen, very high spec air conditioning. So this is 4 berth 4 seatbelts. Both the front seats spin round. Absolutely immaculate condition is what you'd expect for 31,000 miles. So bike rack is included, tow bar included. So it has the parking sensors. The roof is colour coded in the metallic grey. It's got a wind out awning. Absolutely stunning. I've never seen a 2016 as good as this, but then I've never seen a 2016 camper van with 31,000 miles on before. So this will sell extremely quickly. I can do finance on this up to a 10-year term, and part exchange is welcome. So your spin round captain seats, absolutely immaculate interior. So the camera conversion was done by Cambridge Campers, which is a very well known camera conversion company. Very high attention to detail, a very good conversion. And it's got a rib bed. So there are lots of types of folding rear seats that fold into a bed in a camper van. The rib bed is the most expensive. That's what this has, folding rib bed. So that folds down to sleep 2. And then you can pull this panel down to sleep another 2 in the roof. So it's got a habitation diesel heater. It's got a DC to DC charger. That means when the engine's running, it's charging the leisure battery at the same time. Nice marble effect to the worktop. Not seen that before. Tubing gas hob and your sink. And this fridge is bigger, an Isotherm fridge. So this is slightly bigger than what you normally get in a camper van. And it has a built-in grill. All immaculate. So it's just had its Cambelt fitted. We've got the invoice to show the Cambelt has just been replaced. Full service history. HPI clear. This is a superb camper van. If you want more information, please contact me on the mobile number for a full spec list. Contact me on the mobile number. I can WhatsApp all the information to you. For more new arrivals, please like and subscribe. And if you're just popping in to have a look, please ask for Tom when you arrive, and I will personally show you around it and give you the spec list and info to take with you. Thanks for watching.